Miele Perfect GlassCare, gentle cleaning of high-quality stemware. Glass is a sensitive material with special needs. Alongside the selected temperature, which should be no more than 55 degrees Celsius, it is above all water hardness that impacts cleaning results. Soft water, admittedly, achieves the best cleaning results, but may corrode the surface of glasses. Hard water is gentle on glass, but contains large amounts of magnesium and calcium, which may cause limescale and stains. Only well-balanced water can guarantee perfect results. It is therefore all the more important that a dishwasher is able to adjust water hardness with precision. That's why Miele developed its patented Perfect GlassCare system.